Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 12 part 2. Before starting this today's video, just once I want to remind what till now you have learned and what you are going to learn now. I completed a 8-mark sums from issue to reissue in different situations. You might have seen that one, that in case of a share premium, the sum which is given related to the share premium, the sum amount is not clear. In that case, company is going to cancel, and during this cancellation time, whether share premium will come or not, like that sum we made in practice. Always I want to tell you what you have learned and what you are going to learn, what is the difference between these two, that you should know. Still now what you have learned, when you are going to pass the forfeiture entry, means cancellation entry. Suppose example if I say that Mr. X of rupees 2000 shares and Mr. Y of rupees 1000 shares, which base value was rupees suppose 10, and whenever you are going to cancel, you have written share capital account debit, and amount you wrote 3000 into 10. I told that one because while you are going to cancel, you should cancel the shares of X and Y with their face value. Now, today's video you are going to learn the 10 amount will not come. It will come something different. So when you are going to cancel, that time number of shares multiplied by full face value will come or less than that face value will come. That you are going to learn from this video. Once again I am telling you, till you have learned during this cancellation time, you have multiplied the number of shares which you are going to cancel multiplied by face value. But these questions, it will not be multiplied by their face value, it will be less than their face value. And when you will multiply less than their face value or when you will multiply full face value, that you have to learn. That depends on when company is going to cancel the share. Theoretical part first to learn, after that practical side I will go. Whether it will be multiplied by 10 or it will be multiplied by 7 or it will be multiplied by 8 or anything else, whatever it is, that depends on when company is going to cancel. Company has the right to cancel at any stage. Suppose a particular shareholder is not able to pay the money from allotment. Company decided that one, that after allotment, company is going to cancel his share. That time, the 10 rupees will not come. Suppose another shareholder who has not paid the money from first call, company decided that I will not call him for final call. I will call his share after first call. Then 10 rupees will not come. So, when company is going to cancel his share, depends on that how much amount will come. These questions I am going to say. Let me read the question so that you can understand what is given, what is not given. According to your textbook, page number 40 of illustration 14. Page number 40 of illustration 14 is very important questions. Deepak Limited issued 5 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 25 per share. Amount payable on share was as under. Application 13, that is 3 plus 10. Allotment 17, that is 15 plus 2. First call 2 and final call 3. Applications 5 lakh 80,000 receipts, 80,000 applications money will be rejected and refunded. Anup, who was allotted 4,000 shares, could not pay the allotment money. Anup did not pay the allotment money, and hence shares are forfeited after allotment. That is the meaning. Underline that line. Company is going to cancel Anup's shares after allotment. When you will pass the cancellations entry, that time 4,000 into 10 will not come. because whenever you are going to cancel the company's shares, up to that much face value you will take. I will show it afterwards. And Purvi, who was allotted 3000 shares, could not pay the first call money, and hence the company is going to cancel his share after final call. So main company is going to cancel for Anup after allotment and Purvi after first call. But Purvi and Anup shares, it was not reissued, it is not given anything in these questions. Regarding the reissue, it is not given, only up to cancellations it is given. One more thing you have to keep in mind, that Anup shares is going to cancel after allotment and Purvi shares is going to cancel after first call. So let me write the data in here. That is issued capital, how much? 5 lakh into 10 plus 25. 10 plus 25. Next, received capital 5 lakh, received applications. Application received 5 lakh 80,000 shares. Is not it? Rejected 80,000 shares. Correct? The allotment was made 30, that is 10 plus, that is 3 plus 10. Always face value, you write it fast. Then plus 17, 17 is coming 2 plus 15, and then it is coming plus 2 and plus 3. 13, 17, 2, 3. Or what happened? The Anup 4000 shares from not paid. Not paid from allotment and company forfeited. But second, Purvi 3000 shares. 3000 shares. Purvi 3000 shares not paid from first call and company cancelled. Regarding that reissue of Anup and Purvi shares, it is not given. So we will pass the entry up to cancellations. Reissue entry will not pass, so automatically the last entry, transfer entry also will not come. Most importance of these questions is where company is going to cancel. Company has the right. Company can cancel till after calling the last call, or in the middle of that. So let me read the one by one. This is issued capital, received applications, this is applications. Applications receipts, this is rejected. 80,000 shares, 80,000 shares. Now we pass the entry for first entry. First entry is bank account debit to share applications. Data will that is 5 lakh 80 into 13. Is not it? 5 lakh 80 into 13. 5 lakh 80 into 13. The amount I am writing from your book, that you will check it afterwards. That is 75 40 000. 75 40 000. 75 40 000. That you understand. The next thing we will pass for receiving. What receiving? Because we are going to receive transfer entry. We are going to transfer the share applications. So share applications account debit. Share applications account debit, whenever you are writing, that time you write this full amount, that is 7540, because I already told share applications account debit to share capital to security premium to share cap to security premium to bank. This all you keep in mind. Bank means you are going to refund. How much you are going to refund? 80,000. How much money? Into 13. Whatever is coming. Share premium how much? Share premium, I think 5 lakh. 5 lakh into how much? 10. and this is 5 lakh into 3. Is that it? So these are the amounts coming. 5 lakh into 3 is equal to, this is 15 lakh. 5 lakh into 10 is equal to 50 lakh. And 80,000 into 13, 1040. That amount I wrote from your book. If you do not understand, at any place you can tell me. This is called receiving entry for the applications. This is transfer entry. Application money you have received from all. But it is started from here. The allotment money you have not received from Mr. Ponu. So first you call share allotment account debit. Share allotment account debit to share the to share premium. Is not it? How much are you going to call? 5 lakh. Into how much? 17. Out of that, how much is that face value? Out of the 17, face value is 2. And premium is 15. Is that it? So this is entry. Share premium to share premium to share premium. This is 85. 50. This is 10. And this is 75. This you are getting the amount from your book. Now keep in mind, your book calls India account has not passed. But I told 7 times to you that you will write the calls India account. Understands? So let me go. Yes. So next entry, we are going to pass for receiving entry. Receiving entry for allotment, bank account. Next, calls area account to share allotment account. Share allotment account, how much? 85. So 85 and 000. Sorry, 50. That will write there. Calls area means how much money you did not get. You did not get from Anup of 4,000 shares. 4,000 shares money, how much money you did not get? 4,000 into 17 you did not get. Keep in mind, it is not that you are 15 or not the 2. Because Anup did not pay for 4,000 shares or allotment money. 4,000 into 17. And bank, how much you got? 5 lakh means 5 lakh minus 4. 4 lakh 96,000 shares into 17 you got. Correct? So bank account you are getting, this is 8432. 8432. And this is 17 into 4 is equal to 68. I think so. If you add it, 8 plus 2, 10, 1. Yes, correct. This is the journal for receiving entry for allotment. Your book has not passed the calls area account. I told several times. You will write calls area account. It will help you to calculate it and to do the sum afterwards. Next is most important entry. What entry will pass now? Most of the students will say, sir, will pass the calling for first call. Now if you are going to pass the calling for first call means you are going to do mistakes. Because calling for first call you cannot pass now. You have to pass the entry for cancellations because here it is given not paid from allotment and company for fee. So cancellation entry for Anup will come here. And Anup cancellation entry when will pass, that time number 5 will come. Entry will come, share capital account debit, share capital account debit, share premium account debit, share premium account debit to share forfeiture to call sheet area. Okay, this is the entry for cancellation for Anup. Question may come, cancellation entry, all of you know that share capital account debit to share forfeiture to call sheet area, that you know. But why share premium account came? Because share premium amount it was not clear. Anup did not pay the charges share ka premium amount also. For that, this premium amount is coming here. Call sheet area amount already you know. How much? 68. So you write here 68. Why there 68 is ready. Share capital account debit. Now question is there, how much share is there? 4,000. That you know. But you don't multiply by 10. If you multiply by 10, it will be wrong. How do you multiply by 10? When company is going to cancel its Anup shares at last, then it will come 10. But here it will not come, it will be 10. Up to call is here. यहाँ तक call किया. So face value is, this is how much face value? 3. This is how much face value? 2. This 3 plus 2 face value will come. This face value will not come. Because as company is going to cancel. Company जहाँ तक call किया, वहाँ तक face value आएगा. So this will come, keep in mind 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Correct? And 5 means it is coming to share premium. Share premium, how much for his share premium was there? Share premium, I think, charges shares. Charges shares का premium amount था. How much? Here. This premium was clear. This premium was not paid. So share premium it was 15 rupees. So it comes 60,000. Do you understand? This premium is not coming. This premium is coming. And 20 plus 60 is equal to 80. 80 minus 68. That comes I think 12,000. Is that it? 12,000 is coming? No, 18,000 is coming. So this is sorry, yeah. Here it is coming, no? Yes. Right. So share forfeiture account is coming 12,000. This is how much? This is how much is coming? 4,000 into 3. Okay? Understand or not? It's clear to all. This is 4,000 into 17. This is 4,000 into 17. Once again I am telling you, students, you will get more confusions. This is cancellation entry for after allotment for Anup. And Anup को आपने 3 plus 2 का इसलिए कॉल किया, इसलिए 3 plus 2 हुआ, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 नहीं हुआ. Share premium was not clear for that share premium amount came. What is the balance no need to write? Also we will write it first and the minus will be. Now we will ask for the entry for first call. Calling for first call. Calling for first call, all of you know. Share first call account debit or final call now. Share final call account debit to share capital. Final call. First call is there. First call. Share first call account debit to share capital. Now how much will call? Will call not call 5 lakh shares. Out of that 4,000 shares are cancelled, which was not reissued to somebody else. Anup shares was cancelled, but after cancellation, Anup share was not reissued. So now at present, company is having 5 lakh minus 4,000 shares. 5 lakh minus 4,000 shares, that is 4 lakh 96,000 shares. 4 lakh 96,000 shares का multiply by 2. What was the amount which coming? That comes 992. 992. 992. This is called calling entry. Now we are going to pass the receiving entry. During this receiving time, Purvi, who was having 3,000 shares, don't include the Anup shares was cancelled. Urbi has not paid the 3,000 shares of rupees 2. You will write it here, bank account debit. Bank account debit, calls in area account debit. Here premium is not there. Urbi share is 3,000 into 2 is equal to 6,000. And remaining amount you have receipts. How much you should receive? 992. 992 you have received. Bank account debit, corresponding account debit to share first call. Share first call already you know the balance, that is 992. And if you deduct this 992 minus 6, you will get 986. Now if you add, you will get it 90. Now this is called a receiving entry. After doing receiving entry, next what we will do? Next 1 second we have to pass the cancellation entry. Cancellation entry for whom? For Purvi. Now Purvi's cancellation entry again like that will come, but share premium will not come because Purvi already paid the share premium. Share premium amount was not there. So equity shares capital account debit, share capital account debit, to share forfeiture to share forfeiture account, to calls in area account. Calls in area account. Calls in area balance already you know. So write it here 6,000. And here you see, after first call company is going to cancel. So this is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. So 3,000 into 7. Is not it? 21,000. Correct. Same thing is given in your book. 3,000 into 7. And if it is 21 and if it is 6, so this will be 15. Without calculations you can write here. Understand or not? This is 3,000 into 2. So that you got it here? Okay. So this is most important things which you have to understand. Share capital account debit, forfeiture is not coming here. Share capital account debit, share premium is not coming here. Share capital account debit, to share forfeiture, to calls in area. Calls in area balance already you got it, and that is 6,000. And this is how much? Why 7 is coming? Because this is 3 plus 2 plus 2. Keep in mind, 3 plus 2 plus 2 up to जहाँ तक कॉल किया वहाँ तक कैंसिल है. If company is going to cancel after this, then it will come 10. Now we have to pass the entry for what? We are going to pass the entry for final call. For what is the money price of this final call? I think it is 3 rupees. Final call price is 3 rupees. Now how many shares you are going to? This is number 8, 9. Share final call account debit. Share final call account debit to share capital. Shall I call all these like that? No. Because the shares which is cancelled by the company is not reissued. If it is reissued, then it will come. But once company is cancelled, share after arrangement, that time first call you call 5 lakh minus 4,000. One second company cancel the 3,000 shares after first call. That means company is going to call 4 plus 3, 7, 5 lakh minus 7,000 shares. Do you understand? Shall I repeat it? Because this share is cancelled after arrangement, this share is cancelled after first call. So when you call the first call, that time 5,000 minus 4. When you call the final call, that time 5,000 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 7. 7,000 shares you have to minus. That means 4 lakh 93,000 shares you have to call. 4 lakh 93,000 shares multiplied by 3, which is coming 1479. 1479. 1479. This you understand? How 4, this is coming here, 5 lakh minus 4,000 for Anu and 3,000 for Murbi. That was cancelled. So company did not reissue this share. So company called the final call money for remaining shares. And this all money company receives. That is called bank account debit to share final call account. Bank account to share final call amount, how much? Here nobody is there, that not paid, is not like that. So all money company receives. So 1479 that company receives this all money. Very important and interesting sums. If you make practice like this sum, you will get so many different type of sums where one or two sentences will be something different with another. That is the main thing which you have to understand from this chapter. Once again I am telling you, students, you read the question twice, try to collect the correct data and according to that you go through it. Once again I want to tell you, while you are going to cancel that time, number of shares, how many you are going to cancel, multiply by face value, full face value, will come or not come, that depends on when company is going to cancel the share. If company is going to cancel the share at last, after calling the final call, then all full value of the face value will come. If company is going to cancel after first call, then 3 rupees will come. If company is going to cancel after allotment, then 3 plus 2, 5 rupees will come. If company is going to cancel after first call, then 3 plus 2 plus 2, 7 rupees will come. If company is going to cancel after last call, then 10 rupees will come. Or premium amount will come or not, that depends on, I told you several times, whether premium amount is clear or not. If it is clear, it will not come. If it is not clear, it will come. Like that sum, long sum, you may practice. This chapter you might have seen most of the sum I make my own. According to your book, what type of sums is given. Very few questions I have taken from your book, either from illustration or from exercise. You have to make the practice from book, the exercise and illustration, all type of sums. And next video, I will tell you, like that, not they have told to do all from top to bottom, along issue to reissue. They will say some of the information to you, and on the basis of that, last 3 transactions they will tell you to do. Main matlab, cancellations, reissue and transfer. So hope you are understanding. Even though if you do not understand in any place, you can tell at any time with WhatsApp or through WhatsApp. Okay? Bye.